Hello, this is my video on loops, and what we're going to be explaining today is a for and a while loop. And we're going to start with the while loop here in this method. And what we're going to be doing is, so this while loop, it has the condition inside, so the condition is I is less than pixel array dot length. So as long as this is true, this code that is within the loop is going to continue, and it's going to keep executing it because of this down here until this condition becomes false. So what this is going to do is, as long as this I is less than pixel array dot length, it is going to set the red, going to set the blue, and set the green pixels to 255 minus whatever the current value is. So it's going to basically make a negative effect on all of it. And if we go into here, compile it real quick, run it, can't find any picture here, and so as you can see, it goes across the array and it changes the pixels across the pixel array to negative values. And another loop that we have, if we go all the way down to the bottom here, is the for loop. So for the for loop, we have a condition for both the x and the y, the width and the height, and it's similar to the while loop but not the same. So what's going to happen is, for all of the things that are within this condition, it's going to execute for those, and then for all of the things that are in this, it'll do it for those for the y. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to execute the code, and it's going to go through and it's going to get the red, it's going to get the blue, and it's going to get the green for all of these. And then down here there is the if loop. So if the blue value is less than the green value within this code, it is going to set the green value minus 100. And if this is not true, then it will move down here. And if the blue value is greater than the red value, it's going to set the blue to blue value plus 150. And if we go here, we can take a look at it. We'll just have to switch this to switch blue. Compile. Oh, why is it not want to run? It's because there's a capital. Okay. Can run this real quick. We'll use the same picture that we just used, and as you can see, it goes through and it executes the changing of the green value and the blue value based on the conditions within. This has been my video explaining how both a for and a while loop work. Thank you for watching.